Do you think eating loads of spicy foods can damage your nerves? Well, it is a misconception. This spicy myth suggests that indulging in fiery delights like chili peppers or dishes infused with bold spices might be a secret recipe for nerve damage. We will add a dash of truth to this spicy tale at the end of this video. In this video, we'll be ranking various foods to heal nerve damage. Let's see where popular choices like leafy veggies or whole grains stand on the scale from 1 to 10. Stick around until the end to find out where your beloved food lands in the rankings. Don't miss the exciting reveal of why spices do not cause nerve damage. So, first things first, what's nerve damage? Well, our nerves are like messengers in our bodies. They send signals from the brain to different parts. They help us move, feel things, and do lots of other important stuff. Nerve damage, or neuropathy, happens when these messengers get hurt or messed up, which, in turn, cause all sorts of issues. Before we go further, let's look at a picture of a nerve. It's like a tiny cable with a protective cover. When something happens to this cable, it can cause problems. Now, why do nerves get damaged? There are many reasons, like injuries, infections, and some health conditions. Diabetes is one example. It can lead to something called diabetic neuropathy. There are many other things which can cause nerve damage. Few examples are carpal tunnel syndrome, autoimmune diseases, and even some medicines. What happens when nerves get hurt? Well, you might feel tingling, numbness, pain, weakness, or even have trouble moving. In some cases, nerve damage can be really serious. They affect things like how your organs work. Imagine always feeling a tingling sensation or sharp pain. Or you might lose feeling in your fingers or toes. These are things people with nerve damage might experience. Now, let's talk about why we should take care of our nerves. Our nerves are like a big communication network in our bodies. When they're not working well, it can cause problems in everything we do. Taking care of our nerves is super important for our overall health. Think of your nerves like cables connecting different parts of your body. Healthy nerves mean everything runs smoothly, but if they're damaged, it can cause trouble. So, how do we take care of our nerves? Well, while we can't control everything, living a healthy life can help a lot. Exercising and eating good food avoids nerve damage. Even taking care of conditions like diabetes can keep our nerves happy. Living a healthy life is important to prevent nerve damage. Regular checkups are important. Paying attention to any strange feelings are crucial for catching problems early. Taking care of any known chronic conditions is important. To sum it up, knowing about nerve damage is one step closer to healthy self. Knowing importance of nerve health is a step towards being healthy overall. If you or someone you know has symptoms of nerve damage, it's important to talk to a doctor. Now, let's figure out 10 foods that can positively influence nerve health. Berries take center stage with their rich antioxidant content. They have earned their spot with their delicious taste and scientific backing. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with flavonoids and polyphenol. They may play a role in mitigating oxidative damage to nerve cells, promoting overall nerve health. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry emphasizes the high content of anthocyanins in berries, showcasing antioxidant properties that combat oxidative stress, a contributing factor to nerve damage. These king of antioxidants, berries take the 4th spot. So go ahead, have a glass of yummy berry smoothie. Let's talk about popular source of vitamin C, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Research published in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences emphasizes the high vitamin C content in citrus fruits. These fruits bursting with vitamin C are essential for collagen synthesis. They help in nerve structure. They also provide antioxidant protection against oxidative stress. Yummy citrus fruits takes 10th position in our ranking. They will protect your nerves as well as boost your immune system. Let's explore the world of whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats bring a wealth of B vitamins to the table. These grains house essential B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folic acid. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition emphasizes the importance of B vitamins, particularly B6 and B12, in nerve function and repair. Including whole grains in your diet provides essential nutrients that support nerve health. They do so by participating in the synthesis of neurotransmitters and DNA repair. Whole grains take 6th spot in our ranking. Make a bread out of it or mix it with veggies. Whole grains are easy to include in your daily meal. Moving on to the creamy green goodness of avocados. Avocados go beyond their delightful taste. They boast of monounsaturated fats and vitamin E, potentially offering a double benefit. A review in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlights the potential neuroprotective effects of monounsaturated fats and vitamin E found in avocados. Scientific evidence suggests that monounsaturated fats and vitamin E may play a role in promoting nerve healing. They supports nerve cell structure and protects against oxidative stress. The king of healthy fats, avocados take 5th position in our nerve health boosting food list. Make sure to have an avocado toast in your breakfast. Moving on, yes, chocolates made the list. Yay! Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights the flavonoids, an antioxidant, in dark chocolate. Flavonoids in dark chocolate have been associated with improved blood flow. Adequate blood flow is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to nerve cells, promoting their health and function. Enhanced blood flow can also aid in the repair of damaged nerves by facilitating nutrient delivery to the affected areas. Research suggests that certain compounds found in dark chocolate may have neuroprotective properties. These compounds can help shield nerve cells from damage caused by inflammation, toxins, and other harmful factors. Some studies suggest that components of dark chocolate, such as theobromine, may modulate neurotransmitter activity in the brain. Neurotransmitters are chemical messengers that play a vital role in nerve signaling and communication. However, moderation is key to enjoy these benefits. Consuming excessive amounts of chocolate, particularly those high in sugar and fat, can have negative effects on overall health. Chocolate takes the 8th spot. Well, who doesn't eat chocolates? Have a piece of it as a dessert. A cup of hot chocolate doesn't sound so bad now. Now let's spice up our life with turmeric. That's right, turmeric holds a spot in our ranking. Let me tell you why. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin shows promise in supporting nerve health by potentially reducing inflammation. Studies, including one in the Journal of Clinical Psychopharmacology, suggest that curcumin may have neuroprotective effects, potentially supporting nerve health. However, more research is needed on the effect of turmeric in nerve healing. Turmeric takes 7th position in our ranking of nerve health-boosting food list. Now, let's celebrate the green cruciferous marvel, broccoli. Broccoli, rich in vitamin K and antioxidants, supports overall nerve health. Research suggests that vitamin K may also play a role in nerve health. Some studies indicate that vitamin K may promote the production of sphingolipids, a type of lipid found in nerve cell membranes. Broccoli contains various antioxidants, including vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These properties support nerve healing and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Certain compounds in broccoli, such as sulforaphane, have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Sulforaphane reduces inflammation in the nervous system and promotes nerve repair and regeneration. A study in the Journal of Neuroscience Research suggests that broccoli may contribute to nerve cell health and regeneration. Including this cruciferous vegetable in your diet provides a nutritious boost for nerve health. Broccoli made the list at 9th position. No matter how much you hate this marvel, make sure to add it along with your daily meal. Now it's time for the top 3 food that heals nerve damage. Let's know in comment, which one do you think will top the list because you are in for a surprise. Moving on to nuts and seeds including almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds. They contain essential fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that has been studied for its potential neuroprotective effects. These contribute to nerve cell membrane health and protect against oxidative stress. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that the combination of vitamin E and antioxidants in nuts and seeds may contribute to nerve protection and regeneration. Making to the top 3 of our ranking of food promoting nerve health are nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds wins the bronze medal. Go ahead, add these nuts and seeds to your salad or even to your sandwiches or rice. Get creative with these flavorful protein source. Now, let's venture into the vibrant world of leafy greens. Think of spinach and kale. These greens are teeming with folate, a crucial B vitamin that aids in DNA synthesis and repair. A study published in the journal Nature Reviews Neuroscience highlights the significance of folate in nerve health. Certain nerve disorders are linked to folate deficiency. Adding these greens to your diet is valuable. Leafy greens like spinach and kale takes the podium at 2nd position. So don't forget to add these leafy greens to your daily meal for extra strong nerve system. Now, the gold medal goes to fatty fish. Our first contender is the ocean's bounty, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fish contribute to the structural integrity of nerve cells. The omega-3 fatty acids found in these fish, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid (EPA) and docosahexaenoic acid (DHA), have been extensively studied for their anti-inflammatory effects. They support optimal nerve function. Research suggests that including these fish into your diet may contribute to reducing inflammation in nerves, potentially aiding in the healing process. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout take the first spot in our ranking of food promoting nerve health. Let's, once again, look at the final ranking. Fatty fish tops the list. We are one step closer to super-duper network of nerves. Now you see turmeric, a popular spice, takes 7th spot in our ranking. You might be thinking, where does chili lies in nerve-healing food list? Well, chili pepper doesn't make it to the top 10 list of nerve health-promoting food list. But that doesn't mean it causes nerve damage. Contrary to the myth, there's no scientific evidence suggesting that consuming spicy foods directly leads to nerve damage. In fact, certain compounds found in spicy foods, like capsaicin and chili peppers, might offer potential health benefits. Capsaicin, known for its spicy kick, has been studied for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Some research even suggests that capsaicin may have neuroprotective effects, potentially supporting nerve health rather than harming it. Of course, as with any aspect of nutrition, moderation is crucial, as excessive consumption of extremely spicy foods might lead to digestive discomfort. In conclusion, adding these nutrient-dense foods to your diet can be a flavorful journey supporting nerve health. However, always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. It is even more important if you're dealing with specific health concerns. If you found this exploration enlightening, give our video a thumbs up. Let's know in comment which is your favorite among the top-ranking nerve-healing food. Subscribe to FitOodle and hit the bell icon for more in-depth content. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey at FitOodle. Take care of your health, stay curious, and we'll unravel more fascinating topics in our next video. Bye.